All right, well, this is the MPX 3-inch downpipe off the turbo with the 3-inch flex pipe that goes down to the rest of the exhaust. We only got 2 pieces on right now, but figured to start it up and see what she sounds like. There's the turbo. I'm not sure if I need to put the heat shield on yet, but that was a pain in the butt. So we're gonna start it up and see what she sounds like. Wow, major difference.
Step on it. Holy crap.
Wow, that is a major improvement. Wow, it's quite a difference in sound and should make a difference in power. So, but we'll have videos of it fully installed and then also with the running up and down the road a couple times. So stay tuned.